Hello and welcome to my channel, and today I've got for you a mixed haul. We have been to Tesco, Asda, Poundland and One Beyond. We've got a new One Beyond in Chelmsford, which I've never even shopped in before. So let's start with One Beyond. It's a new store that we've got in Chelmsford, as I've just mentioned. It's in our old Wilko, and it is very similar if you've not been into one before. I think it was called something else before. I'll pop it on the screen if I can find out. It's very similar to Wilko, Poundland, Home Bargains, that sort of thing. Yeah, so I was interested to see what it was all about. The reason I went in was to see if I could get one of these. So this is for my phone. I've got an iPhone 12. It's just a phone protector, the tempered glass screen protector. Because I actually smashed mine the other day. Not the whole screen, but fortunately the protector that was on it. So I got one of those. It's not an Apple brand, but it was only £1. And it's compatible with iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro. If you've never used one of these screen protectors before, they're really good and they do peel off. So yeah, well worth £1. Next up, I got some comfort. This was £2. I wouldn't normally get one as small as this, but I had to carry it in a little carrier bag. I didn't have my normal rucksack with me, so I couldn't get anything too heavy. Yeah, I love the smell of that. I think I'm going to start using this instead of Fairy because it's a bit cheaper. The only thing is, it's not as thick actually. It smells similar, but might need to use a little bit more. So yeah, £2 for that one. Not very environmentally friendly, but I tend to get through loads of these. I've had some of these before from Home Bargains. These were only £1. They are 40 handy bags. I tend to use these to empty our bins, or you can actually put them in bins, you know, little waste paper bins. And I tend to go around the bins in the house and fill one of those beauties up. So yeah, 40. They've got little tie handles as well. They're just like little carrier bags. And then for another £1, I got 12 of these. These are the tall kitchen bin liners with a drawstring 30 litre. And that's all I got from One Beyond. Thought I got a bit more than that. Right, let's do a few from Poundland now. Look at these. May well be past Easter by the time you see them, but hopefully we'll still be in spring. Haribo. I haven't bought any Haribo for absolutely ages. These are little bunnies. Jelly bunnies. In fact, I'm going to eat one right now. Yum. So these are just like the normal teddy bears that I used to buy, of which I did buy a pack, but I left them at work. £1.25 they've gone up to. Oh, they're so cute. Look. Little shapes of bunnies. Yummy. I then got ripped off, I think. These were £1 from Poundland. The big round cotton pads. You only get 50 in there. I went into Home Bargains and got 2 great big ones for 99p. So yeah, won't be buying them again from Poundland. These are great value from Poundland. They are hay fever tablets. You can use them, well, hay fever and allergy relief. 30 tablets in there for £1. Got myself and Alan some of those. We find with hay fever, the loratadine are better for us. There's different types of ingredients that you can get in hay fever tablets, and that tends to work for both of us. But you can use these for hay fever, pet allergy, dust allergy and skin allergies. Got us both some more toothpaste. Toothpaste at Poundland is such good value. The Arm & Hammer, I'm sure, in Home Bargains is £1.99, but this is £1. It's the extra white. This is the one that Alan likes, so I got a couple of those for him. And then I went for the big pack for £1. Oral-B, that's a really good value. Look at the size of that. Extra whitening, or whitening protect. I thought that would be £1.99, but it wasn't. It was only £1. I started using this brand in shampoo and conditioner. I really like it. It's the Garnier Ultimate Blends Honey Treasures. It smells lovely. It's oh, it's raining. It's acacia, manuka and lavender. This is the conditioner. £2.49, and what I've done, I've actually bought previously from a Savers haul a refillable pouch of the shampoo, but you can't get it in the conditioner. If anybody's seen that anywhere, can you let me know in the comments down below? Because so far I've only seen it in the shampoo, the refillable, because it obviously works out better value. But yeah, I really like that. Lasts quite a long time. Lovely thick conditioner. And this one is for damaged hair, so it repairs 3 signs of damage: cracks, split ends and breakage. Recommend that one if you've not tried it. I like it a lot. Curly Whirlies, £1.25. I love this as well for oral hygiene. Oh, I seem to be having all Oral-B. This is my new favourite mouthwash. This one was only £1. It's not very big, but it's lovely. The last one I had was an Aquafresh one, and I didn't think it was very strong. I'm sort of in between. Listerine's a bit too strong unless it's the alcohol-free. The Aquafresh wasn't strong enough, but this one, Oral-B, is lovely. It's the Oral-B Complete. Nice size that is actually for travel. But yeah, it's lovely. It helps protect against plaque, and it is the Arctic Mint mouthwash. Recommend that one. Delightful. And I ran out of bubble bath. I've never tried this one, Astonish. Pampering Pink Paradise. £1.29. Oh, that's lovely. I've been filming loads of hauls today, and so much of the stuff I've bought is pink. I just love pink. Pink, pink. It's not even Valentine's Day. Valentine's is long gone. Oh, that's really nice. Like that. I mentioned a while back, I think it was on a live, that I might start taking collagen. So when I saw these in Poundland, I thought I'm going to get some. £2.50, get only 30, so a month's supply. In the brand Millions and Millions, and they are collagen. It says on the receipt that they've got vitamin C in them as well. Oh yeah, amount per serving. Oh, not a lot, 15% of your recommended intake daily. And then they've got 500 milligrams of marine collagen. And then it says marine collagen is the most similar in structure to the type found in human skin. Marine collagen's low molecular weight also means it's really easily absorbed, and we've paired it with vitamin C, which contributes to collagen formation for the normal function of skin. So it's just to help with the aging skin. So that's Poundland and One Below. We'll now move on to supermarkets. Bought a couple of cards from Tesco. I splashed out a bit on these. This one is for my dad for Father's Day. No, it's not for Father's Day, it's his birthday. £3.50. Love the wording on this. Celebrating you, Dad, on your birthday. Very simple, but to the point and very poignant. So happy, lucky and proud to have a dad like you. Enjoy your birthday. I do love my dad, so that was a lovely card for him. And he does watch some of my videos, so if you're watching, Dad, hopefully it's not been your birthday. And this is your card. And you'll now know £3.50. Bit pricey, but you're worth it. And then no doubt Mother's Day is gone. Been and gone by the time I edit this. This is lovely. This one was £3.25. Again, pushing the boat out. This is quite long words. Love this one. What it means to have a mum. A mum is someone thoughtful, considerate and kind, who lets you ask a lot of her and never seems to mind. Gosh, that's so true with my mum. She's someone who will listen to the things you talk about. She gives you the very best advice and always helps you out. A mum's love is unconditional and with you all life through. No matter what you need, a mum is there for you. A mum is someone you admire and think the whole world of. You're all of these things and so much more. The wonderful mum I love. Happy Mother's Day. Isn't that nice? That is perfect for my mum. As you can tell, I love my mum and dad very much. And then also from Tesco, I bought myself some new PJs. In fact, I bought 2 pairs because I didn't realise how cheap they were. Now, these are shorts and long trousers. They are slightly flared. They're not tapered. I normally like taper, but I thought I'll give them a try. So these were £10, and they also had them. These must be last autumn stock, even though they're short sleeved, because these were £10. They've now got them in a slightly different packaging, exact same pyjamas for £12.50. Now, I often find pyjamas come up quite big, and they only had size 6s and I think 14, and I thought I'll risk it just to see if they fit me. So I did. When I got to the checkout, well, when I got home and checked my receipt, they were £4. So I thought, wow. So I hope they fit. I'll pop in a little try on of them, and as you can see, they fit very well. So I went back and got another pair. So I've bought 2 pairs of pyjamas for £8. Really like those. I also forgot to say I got this pink top from Tesco as well. This is a size 6, and look how big it is. It's bigger than I thought it was going to be. But I've bought it to go under the top that I'm wearing during this video. So this was £7 down to £3. Absolute. Another bargain. I've done so well for bargains recently. Love this colour, bright fuchsia pink. But yeah, this is a definite size down as well if you want something that fits quite true to size. And then just a couple of bits from Georgia Asda. I haven't mentioned my nephew for quite some time. He has grown so much. He is now, well, he's 5 in May. Can you believe it? I'll pop in either a little picture or a clip of him now. I can't believe how much he's growing. I had a lovely weekend with him the other weekend. Oh, it was fabulous. So I met him and Mum in Ely a couple of weeks ago, and they met me off the train, and when he saw me, pulled off his rucksack, ran down the platform, jumped in my arms. Me and Mum had tears in her eyes. It was so cute. So I bought him a couple of bits. I've stopped buying him so much because when I went to my mum's last time, she showed me how many clothes I've bought for him. And he's not wearing them all, so I've not bought anything for a long time. But in Georgia Asda, I'm tending to buy, well, I always have bought stuff when it's in the sale, and they had some cracking sale items. So these are for, now what size did I get? 5 to 6. So this will be for this summer coming now. Just a t-shirt. God, look how big it is. He was so small. He was such a little boy, and now he's a proper boy now. He's at school. Really nice, actually. It's got like skateboarders on it. And this is lovely quality. Was £5, down to £1.50. So these next ones, it says not to be used as sleepwear. Yet on the receipt, they're called pyjamas. I actually bought it thinking it was a little tracksuit. So, nice lightweight one, age 5 to 6 again. It's got this random ghoul alien on it. Available in ages 5 to 14. But it's almost like a waffle material or rib material. And they're very thin. So I suppose that's why you might think the pyjamas. But great for spring, summer, you know, a lighter sort of tracksuit. So you've got the top there, long sleeve top, and then just a pair of black bottoms with cuffs. Yes, I thought they would go with that t-shirt I've just shown you. So this little set should have been £16. Tell you what, now he's getting older, everything's getting a bit more expensive because it's bigger. In the sale, Belinda the Bargain Hunter, £4. Can't even get a pair of bottoms for £4 now, never mind a bottom and a top. And then for next winter, I always buy him his winter coats. This one's a bit more of a casual one, but I thought I can't leave this for the price. It is so cosy. Look at that. Got a big hood. It's grey with diggers. No, they're not diggers, they're lorries. No, they are. Diggers and lorries and that sort of thing. So it's grey. It's got a minty green sort of fleecy lining. It's really thick. It's proper cosy. Nice big hood. And this was the bargain price of, should have been £9. So half price. So age 5 to 6. So that will be for next autumn winter. Hope you like that one, Dreyfus. I shall look forward to seeing you in it. So that was just a cheeky mixed haul for you. Got some bargains there. Hope that wasn't too boring. There were some nice bits, and I never know whether to show you sort of general shopping items, toothpaste, plastic bags. If that's a bit boring, drop me in the comments down below if you don't want to see that sort of stuff. I tend to try and avoid it, but, you know, now and again I'll include it. So thank you very much for watching. Please do consider subscribing if you're not already, and I shall see you on the next video. Bye for now.